Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the stunning heaven-like levitation effect using Gemini Nano Banana tool. It's Google's latest tool that lets you edit photo instantly just by typing a prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it to your browser or through the app like this. And then once you're in, and then just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. Now just upload the photo that you want to transform. You can use any portrait photo. Just make sure the face is clear and well lit, because Gemini will use it as the reference for your transformations. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. Next, let's type a prompt. Before, I already prepared one prompt like this. You can copy my prompt exactly, but feel free if you want to tweak the prompt as you like. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then copy and then just go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, just look at this. It's absolutely stunning, and the lighting, the realism, and that levitation pose make it look straight out of a fantasy movie poster. And the wings looks detailed but still grounded in reality. And okay, that's how you can create the heaven-like levitation effect in just a few clicks using Gemini AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!